In this video, we are going to learn about role prompting. This technique lets you control the AI's output by assigning it specific roles. From fiction writers to doctors, the possibilities are endless. Let's jump in with excitement and explore how to make AI act in different roles. Role prompting is all about giving AI a specific role to play. By providing clear instructions and context, you can make the AI generate responses that align with the assigned role. This technique helps in getting accurate and relevant responses by setting clear expectations for the model. The more details you provide, the better the AI performs. Let's dive into some exciting examples of how role prompting can transform AI outputs. Now imagine you are a fiction writer and you want to create a thrilling story and need some help. You can prompt the AI to act as a fiction writer to generate creative scenes. So here is the prompt, and I'm asking the AI model to act as a fiction writer and create an epic battle scene between superheroes and villains. And it gives me the output. Now this story is pretty long to read, but you get the idea. Next, you can also create beautiful poetry with AI's help. So over here you can see that I'm asking the AI model to act as Emily Dickinson and write a short poem about a summer evening. So what the AI model is going to do is write a poem for me in the style of Emily Dickinson, the way she used to write. Next, I can ask the AI model to act as a motivational speaker and inspire and motivate people. So this is the prompt, and I'm asking the AI model to act as a motivational speaker, inspire students to pursue their dreams with passion and determination. And it gives me a very fair output, as if a motivational speaker would speak to the students. You can also ask the AI model to act as a customer and support assistant and create dynamic conversations by assigning roles to the AI. For instance, here's a prompt that says a customer is unable to log in to their online course platform. The customer contacts support for assistance. The support staff should maintain a polite and helpful tone throughout the conversation. Continue the conversation below where the customer and support staff try to resolve the issue. And over here, you can see the output looks exactly as if we are dealing with a real issue between the customer and the support staff. One more interesting thing that you would notice in the output is the tone by the support staff, which is very polite and helpful. Now we are able to achieve this kind of output only because we gave clear and concise instructions along with assigning the role to the AI model. So you can assign any role to the AI model as long as it doesn't challenge AI ethical principles. Let's take it up a notch and create a role challenge for a doctor. Let's say your task is to provide medical advice based on a patient's history. I would not personally recommend it because I would still advise the patient to go to the doctor. But just for the sake of the example, we are going to try a prompt. In this prompt, I'm asking the AI model to act as a doctor along with the patient's history, John, who is a 45-year-old male construction worker. He comes into the clinic complaining of chest pain and shortness of breath for the past 2 days. He also feels lightheaded and fatigued. John has a family history of heart disease, is a smoker, and regularly consumes alcohol. Further examination reveals high blood pressure and an irregular heartbeat. Provide medical advice to John. So the AI model does that for you as well. You can see that the answer is pretty concise and relevant. Again, a little disclaimer. I would ask people to go and see a real doctor because it is about health and well-being. But we tried this example just to see how robust the AI models are. Now think of different roles you'd like the AI to play and craft prompts to see how it performs. Remember to be clear and provide enough context to guide the AI effectively. I hope this video made sense. I'm going to see you in the next lesson. Till then, keep learning and keep practicing.